Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cody. For those of you who don't know, now you know. And for my returning subscribers, thank you and welcome back. So as you all know, we are all locked up inside. Yes, no going out, quarantine. Though they've actually lifted out the lockdown, but I'm still not going anywhere. So today, out of boredom, I am going to be checking out on my friends, but there will be a twist to that. I'm going to be pranking them. I'm going to be calling them and pranking them. So let's see how they react and let's just pray we don't get caught. First person I'm calling is Bernard. And I'm going to be calling them with an unknown line. I'm sure they don't have these numbers. I pray Bernard actually has a thing for like knowing my voice. I just pray he doesn't catch me because I am trying to be as discreet as I can.
Hi, this is Praise. To copy this tune, press 1. Hello?
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 Hello, Bernard.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Hello?
Hello, good morning, how are you?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Hello? Yeah, I can hear you.
You can hear me? Hello, good morning. Am I speaking with Bernard? Yes. How are you? How was the night?
Very fine.
Bernard, you're crazy. You said it was me. How did you know it was me? I hate you. I hate you, Bernard. Yeah. Oh gosh. Do you know that I'm actually recording this? Oh gosh, I hate you. Bye bye. Bye bye, Jerry. Take care. I was not expecting that. I was seriously not expecting that. But I'm not actually surprised you got it. Like it's my really close friend, but Bernard. Yeah, a winch. Okay, next person I want to be calling is Cello. Okay, skip you. It's been long. She like pranking me. Today is your turn. Hello? Hello, Daniel, what's up? Good morning. Sorry, I can't hear you. Can you like increase your voice? I can't hear what you're saying. I'm okay. How is Lagos? Longest time, oh, I haven't heard from you since like September. What happened now? Where did you go to? It's Cynthia. Eh? I don't know. My phone got missing. That's why. No, I can't. I need like some documents to retrieve it, and I don't have them. Yeah, I wanted to like ask you how you're doing, and I don't know, like so many things right now have happened in my life, and I just feel I just needed to make right the wrongs I've made, and needed to tell you some things. Okay, I just want to like I don't know how to say this. I don't know how to start. But I want to tell you that like since we've been friends, I have always had feelings for you, and I actually never express my feelings, and I feel it has been haunting me for the longest of time. And I feel this is like the right time to tell you how I feel and how much I care and love you. I don't know, please say something. I hope you're not blushing. Sorry, I didn't hear what you said. You had a feeling I had feelings for you. Why didn't you tell me you also have the same feeling? Why didn't you tell me about your feelings back then? Okay. Do you have do you have a girlfriend? Like, let me know where I stand. I just feel like this is the best time to tell you this, and I really like us to have something serious together. So I want to know if you have a girlfriend. You don't have. You have. Wow, I'm so late. I just wish I had expressed. Like, I so love you, Daniel. I have always had this undying love for you. I don't. Why don't you think about it? Huh? You're going to think about it. Thank you very much. Alright, just hope you're safe. I'm audio. Hope you're safe and staying indoors. Okay. I'll talk to you later. Stay safe, okay? I love you. Alright. Still love you. I still love you. You fell for it. Oh, Skibby. So you have a Cynthia you were once crushing on and you not tell her your feelings. So now let me call him and tell him who is actually speaking. Let's just pray he picks up. Because I think it's another love. Skip me. Half hour. I'm fine. So there was a Cynthia you were crushing on, ba? I did not tell me. Hmm? So you don't know who is speaking. I sound like Cynthia to you, ba? Which one is immaculate again, Fano? It's called the Jare. So it's me you're sending thunder for. Eh? What is it now? Okay. I know, like, what happened? No, I mean I'm recording it for YouTube, so get ready. Alright, I'll send it. Oh, so guys have a Cynthia in their life that messed up. Okay, Cynthia, you have tried. I'm going to call in a girl. So me, I would have called Vivian, but Vivian, that girl, she's just like Bernard. She will catch me. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. Sorry, good morning. My name is Cynthia Okeke. I'm calling from Breeze FM. I am glad to inform you that you have just won 2 tickets to the live video concert with Yemi Alade. Sorry? Yes, I am very serious. Your number was nominated for one of the lucky participants that have won a live video conference call with Yemi Alade. It is like a promotion for the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay. And to claim your tickets, you just have to answer one question. Okay, are you ready for the question? Trust me, it's not hard. Okay. The question is, you have just 10 seconds to answer the question, ma'am. The question goes, if a cow laughed, will milk come? If a cow laughed, will milk come out of the nose? Sorry, ma, you have just 5 seconds left. I said if a cow laughed, will milk come out of the nose? Is that your final answer, ma? Supreme, your head is not correct. You are high. So cow they laugh, eh? That is Cody. So for your village, cow they laugh, huh? How you go take real life because you don't nominate for anything? Yeah. I'm actually recording it for YouTube. So don't worry, you've been pranked. That concert, continue like fantasizing about it, my sister. But not now, maybe later. I'm fine, dearie. How are you? I miss you. I swear. So guys, this prank was both a success and a fail. Guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And also, please subscribe. Just turn on the subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications. So anytime I upload something new, you'll be the first to watch it and like it. I love you guys. Stay safe and I love you.